Hello, good morning again. We will continue review on unit number 9, and we are working on problem number 2 right now. We have done this actually, but we did it using substitution method. Right now we will do elimination method. Now, elimination method, you should recall that one term has to be the same in order for us to be able to eliminate. They have to be exactly the same number. Like if there is 2x on one equation, you must have 2x on the other equation. All right, so they are exactly the same. The signs don't matter. If they have the same sign, you subtract. If they have different signs, you add. So if you look at this, right, I'm going to call this the first one, okay, first equation. I'm going to call this the second one, okay. And I like to call them that way so that I can, when I reference it, you know which equation I'm talking about. I will multiply equation number 1 by 2. And the reason is so that I have 2x, okay, in that equation. So multiply x times 2, I have 2x. Multiply negative y times 2, I have negative 2y. Okay? And multiply negative 2 times 2, I have negative 4. See that? Now I'm going to just copy the second equation underneath it. I'm not doing anything to it. 2x plus 3y equals to negative 9. Now if you notice, 2x and 2x, they're exactly the same. Okay? They have the same sign, so I'm going to subtract. Okay? So therefore, 2x and 2x, they will cancel. It's eliminated. All right? Now look at this. I'm going to change color. Okay? Negative 2y minus 3y. All right? So negative 2y minus 3y will give us negative 5y. Right? Equal sign goes down. Okay, let me change my color right now. All right? And I have, on the other side of the equations, I have negative 4, okay, minus negative 9. It becomes negative 4 plus 9, and that will give us positive 5. Right? So now, all we need to do is divide by negative 5, both sides. Okay? The coefficient of the y term is negative 5, so therefore y equals to negative 1. Okay? So, are we able to answer the question right now? Of course we are, because the next step is to find x, but we don't need to, because we don't want to waste time on doing that. So let's go back to the choices we have. Exactly how many solutions does this system of equations have? Well, it's not no solution. It's one solution. Okay? And it's not two solutions. It's not infinitely many solutions. So it's one solution. All right? All right. Have a good one. Bye.